Hi, this is Paul from Selman Home Inspections, here on a roof doing a roof inspection. I just want to point out some things that we commonly find on roofs. As you can see here, there has been some indications of previous repairs. Also exposed nails. These actually will rust off over time and then create a hole in the roof, so that's a deficiency. Also, this roof, as you can see, it's got a manufacturer's defect or something like that. There's a lot of areas where the shingles have actually deteriorated quite drastically, and you can see it's only on certain parts of the shingles, like over here and here. This part is not affected, so that's why it looks like a manufacturer's defect. You see all over the roof, those parts are quite worn. The granules have worn completely, but these areas seems to be still good. So this is a definite manufacturer's defect on this roof. Over here you can see some broken shingles with some exposed nails, and also over here some more repairs, previous repairs done to the roof. So this is some things that we find on roofs these days. Thank you very much for watching.